Hello and welcome to yet another episode by Qureshi Farm. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to be updated with our new videos. Today we're going to share with you the goat division, mainly with the Eid and breeding bucks that we have. Now the reason we selected Sojat and Beetal is we have seen that the Beetal can gain up to 200 kgs plus, and Sojat as well. You can see a common sight in Devnar in Mumbai. 100 kg goat, 80 kg goat is a very common sight in this breed. But if all of them are healthy or not, I'm not quite sure. If all of them have had an economical feed, which is what we need at the end of the day. Because what I've seen in those videos is like they've been fed like 3 liters of milk and cashews and almonds and stuff that you could do with 1 or 2 goats. But when you have a stock of 350 goats, that doesn't make economical sense. We're trying to come up with an economical feed, and we keep experimenting month after month. There are some months where our growth is as good as 5 kgs, and then there are some months where we have an average of 3 kgs, and that is mainly due to the change in feed, maybe the goat's health. But as you can see in this video, we're trying to provide a natural habitat as natural as possible and keep the goat stress free. So you can see tree shades, you can see the soil base, you can see the trees are placed outside so they are comfortable walking around. We give them enough paddock area so that they can freely roam around and be playful, be active, because we don't need fat. Like, we don't need to force feed them, keep them in a confined space. We don't believe in that. We want a healthy goat. They have an active goat which is disease free, which is the most important part, and healthy. So this is what we try and provide here. As I was telling you earlier, that there is a feed mix. Feed conversion ratio is like how much you feed and what's the conversion of the meat ratio. So all this time, obviously, the more expensive feed, the common motto is the more expensive feed, the more weight gain will happen. But I'm trying to break this and try to see a mix in which it is economical as well as effective. So more on that in our next video, which is going to be the last video of the year, and I think the secret has to be out. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to see that video. I'm looking forward to your comments. Thank you.